Brava de brebe sa brava dan do it. Ayaba de be saga ungo. If you want to make sure say this economy, this regime, if you want to conquer this regime, do 3 things for life. This regime, if you know say you want to succeed, you want make am for this regime, do 3 things for life. Number 1, that's your papa house. Wey dey for village. My brother, try go renovate am. I swear, that's your papa house for village. Go and renovate the house because very soon you go pack go village. So when township will tire you, if you don't go na village, village people no go harm you. By them, now you go find who you go harm. Number 2, people will pursue for school because of school fees. Then they shout. That time it no go be problem. Carry your children go school for village. Village school is the best. All those schools where they start with name end with the same name where you call. Port Harcourt boys, Port Harcourt. Igboro girls, Igboro. Akinwe college, Akinwe. Uzinene go Ikongo. Full time you go good there. The 3rd thing where you go do for life. My brother, you don't need fuel. Thank you, sir. Just the throw like that. I before my goalkeeper, oh, I'm Nambara. Money can never touch ground. Somebody try another one. You go know say they catch well. Oh yeah, they hear. The 3rd thing where you go do. The 3rd thing where you go do. People they shout to say fuel no day. Nothing concern you with fuel. Nothing concern you with diesel. Nothing concern you with gas. Firewood will be your colleague. You go they use firewood. You go know say village the sweet.